Okay, cream card if you want, and tea stain it. It works as well as a file folder for this. I just had some ready. Okay, so I'm going to just glue the strips down. You do it with glue and do it with whatever you want to do. All right, it's just that because I might be working on the top of this, I'm using gel medium. Okay, and I use it quite liberally, this. And it's literally going to be just strips. That's wonky, that one. I don't like that. Hold on. Let's do it that way. I think we'll do that, and then just trim that bit off. Okay. Don't know why I always end up doing my finger. A bit short. That's all right. Should cut that one down as well. Oh, my hands. Sorry, folks. I am freezing. I'm going to have to end in a minute. I can't believe that heater is on and it's that cold. It's the coldest it's been in here. I'm going to put some decoupage over it, so I'm going to, might as well do it all together. Ooh. Put that strip there. It's all right until, and then you start using something, and that's when it gets a bit cold. My hands are not moving. It's like they're not working. And my nose feels like an ice cube. My feet are like blocks of ice. It's very rare we get temperatures this cold. I'm not saying it's absolutely freezing, and I know some of you will be in like minus whatever. It's most probably 1 or 2, but we got a real bad wind chill today. So yeah, not good. Right, let's have a look. See what we got. Well, that's going on there for sure. Yeah, you really don't need to put it on underneath these tissues. Keep forgetting. I have some words there. A little bit heavy-handed, Andrea. I might be able to get a bit of another one yet. Let's have a look. Yeah, let's do that. Right. Right, let's fix you. Just in case I don't put a word there. Might need another napkin, yeah. Let's get that out of the way. If you've known me, I'll stick to it. Don't think I've got anything sticky, so. Okay, you would know. Okay, so I'll go in, get them dry now, and then I'll come back later on and decorate them and do. They're going to go in the journal somewhere, and that's just using up the odd bits. I don't think I'll use that, but I've got two little bits here as well I can use or not. Oh, I've got a few more under here, so I might get another one. Oh, see, I missed them, look. So yeah, I'll do another couple more out of what we got there, just like exactly the same as what I've done there. Okay, and then we'll come back to you when they're dry, and we'll decorate them and back them, and just take that off now. Do whatever. Okay, they're all nice and dry, and I'm going to keep these very simple because I'm going to let the tag or the journaling card speak for itself, really, because you've got two layers going on there, and I think that they're looking really nice. And I just thought, do you know what, I'm just gonna stitch around them, put that on, and then stick one of these quotes on. So I've slightly sanded them down. Have I round a little bit with tea stains, yeah. And that was that one. Was that one? And that was that one. So I'm going to do two tags. Let's have a look. That one and that one as a tag. That one and that one I'm going to keep like that. So let's do that. Okay, all right, it's that one. I'm going to turn it over, make sure. I didn't check that they were the right way up when I done that then. I just had this horrid feeling that they were upside down. Oh dear. Okay. That is that. Right, let's see where they're going to put the words. Yeah, that one lends it because that's going to have that up there. So I'm going to stitch mine on, but I'll just glue them for now because I'm going to stitch all around, and I'll just put a little bit of stitch around on that as well. Just keep them nice and simple. And how easy was that? You know, you cut off some of your papers. You then know that it's going to, you know, correspond with what you're doing. I was going to gesso them and everything, but to be honest, I don't need it. They look great as they are. So if that's the case, I leave well alone. It's just this one. I'm going to have a little look. Might look better with a word on. Yeah, I think that one's going to be black. We've got two black, yeah. Okay. I'm feeling it down there. Yep, I am. Okay, right, I'm going to stitch around those. And I'm going to stick the words on. Okay, they're all done, they're all stitched around. Okay. Right, those two I'm going to keep as they are. I might put a grommet on later on. Okay, but these ones I have grommets on. Oh, sorry folks. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to leave them as they are. and you might find that you know, wherever they go in the journal is to what I put on them. So these one I'm just going to put, I'm not going to use pink, I'm going to use, because the kit itself is quite pink, so I'm going to sort of like incorporate green and things like that, just to sort of deaden down the pink a bit, really. Oh, there's a nice bit there, look. I don't know how much I've got of that. I did have some green seam binding, but where that is, I have no idea. It might be in my thing here. Yeah, look. Yep. How lovely is that? Oh, look, I just found some of them. Oh dear. And that's quite nice too, actually. Oh, look, I've got some nice green grungy stuff of that. That'll be good. No, I can't find the seam binding, so we've got some more green. Is she cut there? Look at this. There, that's great. Is it? Do we bring the green out, or do we bring the blue out in it? See? Not sure, because I'm not sure where they're going to go. So, but I'll just put that on for now. But that could change. It really depends on where they go in the journal to what I put through here. You know, I might find that I do need a bit of pink or something like that. So keep that out. I'm just going to put this sort of beigey colour on, I think. Okay, so I've got to go now and go and get tea. Nice simple ones, but need it to, because I'm looking at, you know, the sort of the colour, so that it's all gone beautifully. I'm really pleased with that. And that's the other ones. Okay, nice and simple, but effective and totally blends in with the kit. Okay, thank you very much for watching then, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.